Hi, I'd like to introduce you to the new SunCase 2025 from New Use Energy. It's got a very durable plastic case with nice handles on 3 sides, so you can grab it from a variety of different sides. Easy to carry around, load it in your vehicle, your boat, whatever you need. Operationally, there are a few things you should know. There's the main circuit breaker, so this is the master disconnect that turns everything off. This is how you can leave it when it's in storage mode. But when we go to use it, we need to turn on that master circuit breaker. Now our DC load outputs are available. We've got one 12-volt cigar lighter. We've got 4 USB outlets that have both the older USB-A and the newer USB-C for charging lots of different small electronics and mobile devices. It's got an inverter inside that turns the direct current in the battery into alternating current. So there's a switch that we turn on. We hear the beep. Now the inverter is creating that AC power, and there's 2 outlets here to plug into. It's 2,000 watts, so roughly 15 amps or so continuous. It can handle on the AC output side. It has a meter right here in the middle, protected by the handle. It has a little on-off button. It's not always powered on, but you can power that on and see that we have right now 80% capacity remaining. Battery voltage 26.6. And right now there's nothing flowing in or out, so it's just registering 0 in terms of its current. As far as charging power, there's several different ways to charge it. This top connector here, the blue one, is for your solar panels. All of the SunCases ship with this adapter that has a blue polarized connector on the battery case side of things, and then on the other side it has these industry standard MC4 polarized solar panel connectors. So with that, you might need an extension wire if it's further to your SunCase. But in a short demo like this, I can just show you that it's simply as easy as plugging it in, and it'll start charging from the sun. Now, if you want to charge from a backup generator or from the utility grid, we have these external chargers that ship with the SunCase, so you don't carry around this extra weight and space when you're away from the utility. We keep this as a separate component, and it plugs in on the side here. There are 2 gray connectors. This type is called a SB50 connector, so it can plug into either one of those, and then you plug into your utility power or your AC source, whatever that is, generator or whatever. So right now I'm gonna just plug it into the grid, because that's what that is. So now I'll look at my meter and I can see things are firing up. 32 amps, about 32 amps of charging coming through the charger here. So that's a 30 amp charger, and we're getting 2 amps off the solar is what we're having here. The unit is well protected from vibrations and shocks, dust, water. If it's really going to be wet, you want to protect it from direct moisture. If it's moist or raining, setting it like that will help the lid act like a roof to keep the water from any of the vulnerable points. And so for in the rain, leaving it flat like that is a good way to orient your unit in use. And I have an example here. I'll just show you. I could have demonstrated this earlier when I was talking about this. Great, the power plugs in, and switch. And it works. Power anywhere. All right, well, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Let us know how we can help you.
Cut.